Action, AMiYAH Rayne. What are you doing? Say it, tell them. I don't want to.
Vulture.
Vulture? What is this, vulture hunting?
No. They eat garbage.
So what are you going to do?
Speak up.
Alright, do what you do. Show me. She doesn't know these vultures. They're crikeys. The crikey vultures weighing 45 pounds. With a beak span of 4 inches. Be careful, little girl. Let them know. Let them know what you do. Let them know what you're there for. Get to them. Might do it. Don't get too close. Now you're scaring. Now you're scaring daddy. What happened? What happened? Tell me what happened with the vulture. Tell me what happened on your hunt. It flied away. Were you injured? Do you have any marks?
Okay, I'll do like this.
Okay, hold on. No, you don't. No, they're gone. You need to come back and sit, little girl. Come sit down and think about your vultures. Remember last time you sung the song, the vulture song. You remember the vulture song?
Vulture song.
No, it was said something like, okay, go ahead. You know it. You know the vulture song.
Vulture song, and the vulture flies away, and it
That's what the vulture do.
it will come sneak up you and bite your face.
And it'll hurt real bad.
And you will kick them and eat them, and you will put them in the oven.
And I eat them for dinner, I eat them for breakfast. I love my vultures, ain't no question about it. No.
I eat it for $1 times a day. Well, I eat them all. And it's more. Okay, let's wait for them to come back.
And that is the end of the song. Vultures.com.
Let me know you like to see this vulture song or
Or their vulture song, which goes. See, obviously they don't have a song. So, whose song's better? Dun da da da. One for AMiYAH.
Bye.